Welcome to another delicious review. Today we have a mysterious ration packed in a transparent bag, and this is menu number 2 of the Netherlands Army. This is Arctic ration for 24 hours. This is not that easy to unpack as you think, but inside we have a lot of goodies. Let's have one of these breakfast dishes. I took the instant porridge and the nougat with almonds. And we have the coffee creamer and sugar. We have our porridge ready. You give only 100 milliliters of water to the porridge, and it's quite liquid. And we have 3-in-1 coffee and this nougat. I had a ration from Thai Army, and coffee in that ration was the smallest coffee in rations, 120 milliliters of water, but this is not much bigger. This is only from 125 milliliters, so that's why it's not filling the cup. But let's take this main. The porridge is a little on the bland side, not very interesting in taste, but it's very creamy. So this condensed or powdered milk gives a really nice texture and really nice aftertaste. So now this coffee, very nice, a little bit bitter. I've given here 1 teaspoon of sugar, so half of this package, and these proportions are really perfect. Now this nougat, which is, as I thought, very chewy. Well, this is very difficult to eat. Actually, I guess this is better as a snack when you march or you are just walking and you chew a bit by bit, because it is very hard to bite. Considering the taste, well, it's not my favorite snack, I have to say, but it is quite decent. So it is sweet, but you have also this nuts here and pieces of dried fruits, which gives a bit of tartness and fruity taste. So this gives some more interesting taste, like just sweet. Let's have a kind of main meal. We have here this Swedish or Swiss hot pot and chicken soup, and I took one of teas. We have 5 kind of teas here, and this is forest fruits. So this requires almost 400 milliliters of water, boiling water, and this is just a cup of soup. I will prepare it in a minute. Time to taste. This, I guess should be Swiss beef hot pot, contains 47% of potatoes, so half of this are just minced potatoes or just chopped potatoes, and some onions. Beef is only 8%, and we have butter, powder, yeast extract, tomato powder, powders, onions, mushrooms, red wine extract, herbs, and so on. This is 397 calories. But let's start with this chicken bouillon, chicken broth. I can see carrots swimming and some pasta. And I have to say that the Dutch soups, powdered soups, are one of the best that I've met in rations. The smell is artificial, not very pleasant, but the taste is really good. I have to say, really good. Of course, everything inside is very tender, but it is tasty. Now this hot pot, potatoes, beef, a very small cubes of beef, quite a nice dish. These carrots are a bit chewy, and the same is with the beef, but it has something like stew taste. It's not bland, it's just like a stew, vegetables bouillon. I will add here pepper because I think we have black pepper here. It will be really good. So this is a freeze-dried mane, so there's not so many preservatives, so a bit better in taste. Now let's have a sip of this fruit tea. Well, I'm surprised. I'm not a fan of fruit teas, but this is quite decent. Has smell of this forest fruits, but also you can taste it a bit. So I will add, I guess, a bit of sugar here. It will be even better, and I will finish this in a minute.